Hi, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronnert, and today we're going to practice reading vocabulary from the story A Bird Has. Vocabulary words are hard words to read and sometimes hard to remember. So on this sheet, I added pictures to help you remember what each of the words are. So let's go ahead and start reading. I'll put a color under the word, but I also want you to look at the picture next to the word so that we can figure out what it is. Let's begin. You see that picture? Now, if I look at the word, I see it starts with F. Do you know what that word says now? That's right. It says feathers. Okay, look at the picture. This word starts with a B. Beak. Very good. Okay, look at the picture. And this word starts with W. Wings. Here's this picture. That word starts with N. Nest. Here's this picture. Oh boy, that's a long word. I always want to check the first sound. W. Water? Think it says water? No, water. No, there's no R. I know. Webbed feet. Webbed feet. And what's this one? It starts with a T. Tail. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and read each of those vocabulary words again. This time, we won't have to take a lot of time because we'll remember what the words say using the pictures and the beginning sound. Let's take a look. We'll use a new palette. Ready? Feathers. Beak. Wings. Nest. Webbed feet. Tail. Okay, let's do it one more time. I'll choose a new color. We can just read these words so quickly now because of the pictures that helps us and those first sounds. Let's do it. Ready? Feathers, beak, wings, nest, webbed feet, tail. Great job. Thanks for reading with me today. I hope to see you again very soon.